How to turn your photo into PS2 character. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for replicate phase 2 menu on your browser, and this is how the results will look like. Now select the option of playground over here and it should take you over here. Now here you need to subscribe for it, like you need to pay some amount in order to get the results, and the pricing is pretty low. But first let's see how we can convert our photos to PS2 characters. Now for that, just simply drag and drop the file over here. You can also paste the URL in case if you have the URL for your photo or the character that you want to convert into PS2 style. Now after that, select the style of your conversions, and after selecting the style of your photo or the result, you can also provide prompts in case if you want to, and you can also play around with some other settings as well if you want to. Even if you don't play around, your photo will get converted into PS2 style as well without touching these settings. And after that, just simply click on this option of run on playground and you would be getting the output over here, and this is how you would be able to do it. Now let's check the pricing of it. So when we click on the pricing, you can check out that it depends on your hardware and the kind of hardware that you want to use it for, and the lowest amount is $0.36 per hour, and you can create dozens of PS2 style images in that 1 hour. So this is how it will work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.